at Bonnie Doon, and this is Lake Eildon. I'm pretty sure the experts said this wasn't going to fill up again. Mate, now this is a very nice lake. This is Lake William Hovell. Look at that. That's a spillway over there. Looks like a very, very fishable lake. Need to bring the kayak down here, I reckon. This is one of the camping areas at Gentiloni Caravan Park. Nice big old oak trees, a few big gum trees, nice grassy flats, and obviously really damp because of the amount of rain we had, but still very nice. King River's flowing pretty hard. We've been here a few days now, and it's been raining every day, but I think the water's dropped just slightly. You see a bit of a rock pool down there. I mean, it's still very, very high. All those eddies, a lot of underwater structure and pylons. I wouldn't want to get stuck in this river. Although the river is renowned for kayaking, but not really my type of kayaking. Farm animals. Mr. Turkey, a couple of chickens. Turkey's probably hoping for a, oh, very impressive. Turkey's probably hoping for a pardon. This is the third section of the caravan park, and as you can see, it's muddy because all this area here was underwater. So this is Stringy Bark Creek. It's where the Kelly brothers, or the Kelly gang, shot and killed 3 police officers back in 1878. Why do I know all this? Because it's written on the board. The big span's over there.
In the mist.
Mist, yeah.
Okay, because that little...
There's little spans.
Little spans down there. There's a bit of a division there. It's decided to go that way.
Yes.
Was there?